What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy, C-Dub, aka Whit, coming at you guys from the Whit Mobile. Hey, I'm on my way up to Holland's bicycle, and it's time for upgrade number 3. I'm putting Ultegra on Serenity. And yes, the recent crash in the video right there helped to expedite the upgrade to Ultegra. Sit back, relax, and enjoy more from your boy, C-Dub, aka Whit. Peace. Baggies, so you have the front and rear and the baggies and the shifters and everything. And I was also curious if I could get, if I can,
slice it.
Yeah, take it down.
Okay, as long as you're.
Yeah, so I mean, I'm comfortable with it. I raced on it, actually felt a lot better.
Are you sure you want to cut it? You sure you want to cut it?
Do you want me to wait until we do our second fit?
Yeah.
So I know you wanted to go again.
Well,
now that I have all
take a look in the room, what we got going on right now. And you might wait.
All right,
wait till you refit.
Let's do a refit then. Then I'll do that.
Yeah.
Do you want us to try and reuse your tape?
Yes, please.
Okay, we'll try our best.
Yeah. I mean, of course, make it better. Cause I know I kind of messed up there, but it's covered, so it still looks good. So
I'll see what I can do.
But yeah, I'm about to leave. Serenity's leaving me. Yeah.
Thank you.
Go show off your fit room.
Here, come take this one out.
Bye, Serenity. Bye. So hey guys, so not only did I come up to Hollands to drop off Serenity so she can get the whole upgrade number 3 that I wanted to share with you guys, but I won't be able to because the guys already have their work orders, but they're still taking care of me. So I got Bojack here, and we're going to make something out of nothing. And there's Lucas back there. And so what we're going to do, he's going to pretty much, he's got his system up and running, his whole fit system up and running, and he's going to run us through it really quick.
So today we're going to do an assessment with Crit. We're going to get him all figured out with his asymmetries, put him on the trainer, set up the wire harness.
Sweet. And
we have the retool system here with the Vantage software, and we'll kind of see where we're at.
Let's do it, man. I can go get my shoes out the car and come back if you want.
Yeah, man.
So I'm going to go get my cleats, and then I'm going to spend some time with Bojack. Let's do it. It's totally amazing. You know, you never know what you're going to get. You really don't. So came up here to get the bike upgraded, get everything taken care of. And not only that's happening, but I'm also gonna get an upgrade bike fit to just make sure that Serenity is dialed in. Me and her are on one accord. Hello roadies out there that's watching the vid today, and those of you that have not, I want to say thanks for clicking the vid. I ask that you would comment, like, subscribe. If you don't have a YouTube account, I ask that you would set one up and sign up for the Road Runner family. But the note that I wanted to leave with you guys today is as a roadie, never leave home without your cleats, because you never know what'll happen. So as I'm going in, got my cleats, got my zeros here, and we're about to go in and get this fit on. So let's enjoy this bad boy. The number 3 at Gmail.
Ah boy. Boy, coming in. Okay, so have we done this one before for you?
We did sit on that, and we did sit on this machine here, the retool or this machine, and yes, we did identify that I am a 143 saddle.
Okay, I'm gonna just for data purposes.
I like it.
Re-record where we are.
Okay.
All right. Go ahead and please take a seat.
ain't worked out all week. This is my workout. I'm getting fit. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Getting it in, baby.
So double digits here, here, and here.
Yeah.
Belt,
Yeah.
and it's
Let's
quicker and faster.
Let's do it.
Yeah, and I'll have you come in your kit. It'll
Let's
be
do
perfect.
it. Yeah, I come prepared, so.
Okay, so when you had the stem on the top, your knee was moving 4 centimeters side to side. When you had it in the bottom, 6 centimeters side to side. That's ridiculous. And what that is when you're overreaching, you're losing your stability.
Okay.
And you're just like, it's making you work harder, basically, when you're down low there.
Okay.
The other numbers that we see that are interesting would be the shoulder wrist lateral offset.
So guys, we got the fit. The fit is done, and now Serenity is being taken care of. She's getting the upgrade number 3, going from 105 Shimano 105 to Shimano Ultegra, and hopefully I get a phone call later on today to be able to come and pick her up. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe. On to the next one with your boy C-Dub, aka Critway. Peace.